My orthopedic surgeon told me my shoulders were extremely arthritic. The best times of my day, I was uncomfortable, and the worst times of my day, I just was immobilized. No matter what I did, it just hurt. And I refused steadfastly to get surgery, which had been recommended 5-7 years ago by an orthopedic. So I've been exploring different therapies and started out with stem cell therapy. It gave me all my range of motion back and the pain was almost completely gone, but it just didn't last. Dr. Sikura's ad popped up in one of these local magazines. In conversation with Dr. Sikura, she said, well, I just got a new machine. It's called Shockwave. After my first treatment, I felt relief almost immediately, within the hour, and it wasn't a cure-all. It didn't take all the pain away, but I felt better. The day following the treatment, I was a little tender, but after that, it improved. Gone through the initial part of the 4 initial treatments, and then I've been doing it once a month. As you progress through your 3 or 4 initial treatments, they get more intense, but it was pretty much the same. Felt relief almost immediately, and then the following day, I have to lay low a little bit because I was a little tender, but then after that, I'm good to go. This will be my 3rd type of treatment. This is by far the most superior in my case. I'd recommend anybody seeing Dr. Sikura. She listened, she wanted to hear what I had to say. She's got great help and great support, and she's a really wonderful person.